Solid Edge enables you to transform a 2D drawing into a 3D model quickly and easily by reusing the 2D geometry and the 2D manufacturing dimensions. 3D models provide the benefit of better visualization of shape and size, as well as the ability to perform virtual strength tests with different materials and check for fit and function in an overall assembly. When importing a 2D drawing from some other CAD system into Solid Edge, you may preview the drawing and even show and hide layers in the preview window before actually opening it into Solid Edge Draft. Once in the drafting environment, you have control over the display of the layers, and here you can hide the layers that are not important to you for converting this drawing to a 3D model. Create 3D is a unique command in Solid Edge that is used to precisely align 2D views in a 3D environment. By selecting each view and specifying fold lines, you are letting Solid Edge know how you want the 2D geometry aligned in the 3D environment. Now that you have the sketches in 3D, you can use the power of synchronous technology to simply select the regions formed by the intersecting sketch elements to begin to drag into a 3D model. Notice how you can snap to key points from other views to precisely define the size of each feature. The 2D manufacturing dimensions from the imported drawing have automatically attached themselves to the 3D model as the 3D synchronous features were created, and can now be used to change and adjust the 3D model directly. The steering wheel in synchronous technology can also be used to precisely drag and rotate faces to modify the 3D model with ease. Cylindrical cutouts can be automatically recognized as editable hole features, which can then be modified to any other type of hole feature, like counterbores in this model. Defining the material for the cast part is the final step to transforming this simple 2D drawing to a completed 3D model. So as you can see, it is quick and easy to reuse the 2D geometry and dimensions from the imported drawing to create a 3D model, and then utilizing the power of synchronous technology, easily make design